Well guys, today's Monday and I am showing you what I wore to work today. I think I'm gonna do a series where I show you what I wear to work every day during the week. I had my coat on today, but it was way too warm for the coat. Today felt like a summer day, so I didn't even need a coat at all. I'm gonna see if I can link the dress. As you can see, it's very beautiful, and then I'm wearing my gray shoes. So yeah, it's usually done the same way. I don't do anything different with my makeup. I like to keep it classy, simple. I don't want to think about it. So let me know if you guys would like to see a series of me, of my work outfits like every day. Home now and I am exhausted, so I'm about to jump in the shower, quickly warm something to eat, and then go straight to bed. Makeup is looking good. Don't you hate when you get home? That's when your makeup looks so good. My first slice of pumpkin cake of the season. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this cake like a whole year. We got Magnolia Bakeries every fall season. It usually comes every October. It's the pumpkin cake. Today I ate so many spicy chips and I feel like it's giving me a headache. Alright guys, gotta go. Let me figure out my dinner. I have food for the whole week because my mom cooked food for me. She sent it to me with my friend Vanessa. So I'm excited not to think about food at all for this week. Super excited. Got to go. I'll catch you guys later. Cleaning here. I cleaned yesterday. Vanessa helped me clean. She didn't. She actually just watched me clean. But she was here for more support, so. Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday and I completely forgot to show you what I wore yesterday, but you'd have seen my haul, what I got from Paris. This suit was one of the things that I got from there, and this is what I'm wearing today, and I love it. I love that the blazer is super long. You know, it gives me that very cool vibes. I wish I was wearing it with different shoes though. The shoes don't really go that well, but all my shoes are done. I need to get them fixed. It's giving me the biggest headache. But and then I'm going to apply my red lipstick when I get to the car. That's today's look. Keeping it super feminine. I had a reaction in my eye, so that's why this eye looked crazy. It was bothering me since last night, so please ignore the eye. I do nowadays. I used to line my lips with a red lip liner. Now I line my lips with a nude lip liner, and then I apply my red lipstick, which is a faster application. I guess the color is not as intense as it used to be. I've been wearing dresses literally every day, so I guess like on Wednesday it's the day where I kind of like break it up a little bit, wear some pins or something. I wanted to do my hair differently because I've been wearing my hair the same way, and I'm like, you need to do something different with your hair. I don't know what to do. I really wanted to wear my headband, but it's not really suitable for my place of work. It looks too, I don't know, trendy. Put on my perfume and I'm gonna call a car. Let's go. I'll catch you guys tomorrow to show you what I'm wearing tomorrow. Look. Good morning guys. This is my look for today. Today's Thursday. I thought Thursday it's a fun day. I may have a shoot later, so I want to wear something that's comfortable. These shoes are super comfortable. They're like probably the most comfortable pumps that I own. They are from Zara from like almost 7 years ago. And they are so dirty. They're on their last legs, but I just cannot let them go yet because I need a replacement for them. I'm changing my shoes. I don't know yet. But this dress is from 3 Floor, which is the same designer for that purple or red dress that I wore when I was in Paris. So yeah, check it out. And again, I always do my red lip on the car at a stoplight because it takes me about 15 seconds, which is about how much time I have at the red light. But I just love this. I think this is a size 4. It's not even zipped all the way up yet. And it fits. It's just, I don't know, these dresses nowadays, the zippers are just like so bad. I don't know if it's bad quality. I don't know if it's just like, you know, for too much use. But that's my pick for today. I love this dress. It's so perfect for work. Put a blazer on top. Should I put a blazer on top, or should I just wear my coat? That's it. So I don't know. I'm trying to figure out a better way for me to show you guys my dress, but I have to kind of like remove this mess that's over here. I have some time to do it, but this is what the dress looks like. So yeah, it's about 8 o'clock and I need to be at work at 8, so I got to go. Catch you guys later. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and here's today's look. It's a blazer dress, and you guys know Meghan Markle wears these a lot, and I also wanted to try them. Let me take the coat off. This is it. This is the first time I'm wearing black pumps. I never wear these. Over the last 4 years, I've probably worn these like one time, because I'm always wearing camel or nude pumps because they go with everything. I don't know. I just think black shoes just don't suit my feet and also my wardrobe. I don't know. I just feel like my feet get lost, or it's not the most flattering color for my skin tone. Looks quite good on me. Surprisingly. I guess once in a while I should do a black look. And I just love having my hair pulled back in a little, is it a ponytail? Ponytail, this one is high. Bun, this one is higher. Ponytail, this one is, yeah, I guess this is a ponytail. I don't ever know the difference. Don't kill me. But my makeup is looking super good. I actually got a compliment the other day. It's because I changed something that I was doing before. So I will be sure to film it for you guys this weekend. Today's Friday, like I said. I have a couple of shoots tomorrow, and then I won't have some time because I have IKEA coming to drop off some things that's gonna go right here. I'm so excited, but I'm about to late for work. I'm gonna call my car, and oops, it's 7:46 and I need to get coffee, because usually I make coffee, but today I didn't make coffee because I didn't feel like it. You know, sometimes you're like, it's Friday. I just want to, you know, to be bad. And then tonight I'm going to the IPSY event, which I am super excited for. Tonight I'm going to the IPSY event. Maybe I should bring my camera so I can film, because I'm going straight after work. It starts at 4, get out at 4. So actually, I just remembered. I'll just bring my vlog camera. I'll bring you guys along with me. So, oh my goodness, my makeup is looking so good. I just feel like staring at myself. Catch you guys later. I wanted to wear my Chanel's today, but I haven't put the protective underneath them. So, Alexa, is it going to rain today?
No rain is expected today.
Maybe I should wear my Chanel's.
So first up, we've got Chaz Dean from When Hair and Body Care. So Chaz, come on in. There you guys know who Chaz is. Next up, we've got Zach from Formula Z. So Zach, come on up. Come on in. Next up, we got Michael from Kanuka. Michael Bumgarner, come on in. And finally, we've got Marta from Apto Skincare.
We're here, guys, and look at this cocktail maker. It's so cute. Sorry. Yeah. Wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hey, no vlog.
DadouChic.
I need you guys to subscribe. Subscribe and like.
Thank you. You see, you know. Maybe to Pixie to have the cutest. Guys, this is the goodie bags from the IPSY. It's so big. Oh yeah. party's over. Well, the party's not over yet. But once you get your goodie bag, you are out. So I'm headed home. No more alcohol for me, so very sad, but it's okay. I wish Deb was with me, but she ain't come, so that's okay. I'm just gonna jump on a Uber because this bag is so heavy. I can't carry it all by myself, so yeah. Guys, I've been home for like half an hour. I wanted to quickly show you a little sneak peek of all the goodies that we got from IPSY. The goodie bags from the preview night is always outrageous, which is usually when they have all the influencers there for the party, and then tomorrow and Sunday they'll just have just everyone for the event. But tonight is always the party. The review of the party was awesome. Can't wait to try some of the stuff. So if you are already subscribed to my channel, you're watching this, there will definitely be a maybe I'll do a giveaway on all of this product, or I can just give it to my mom to send back home like I usually do with all my products. But I feel like I need to give back to you guys for all the support throughout the years, so maybe it will be a good time. But then again, I feel like if I'm doing a giveaway, I want to make sure it's something that I purchase with my own money. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. This is me in the mirror, and then tomorrow my bookshelves are coming, so they're gonna go on this wall over here, which I am so excited for. I'm gonna get rid of this clothing rack. It's too big, taking too much space. I'm gonna get one from Amazon that's half the size, so one of the bookcases is gonna go, actually it could both fit right now. One of them is gonna go right here where I can put all my bags, which has been hanging out literally everywhere. And then there's another one. I don't know yet where I'm gonna put that one. I think I'm gonna put it in here to put all my shoes. It's a lot smaller. I'm gonna put all my shoes here, and actually it could even go on that corner. I was thinking of putting it on this corner over here to put all my shoes. I think I'm gonna do that actually, yeah. Next time you see what I'm talking about. Usually I have a lot more shoes down here because all my shoes right now need to go to the cobbler because I've run them into the ground. They need to get fixed. Too much shoes on the floor. It's taking way too much space. So it's looking a little bit crowded. I'm gonna get rid of this rug also. I'm gonna get a new one that's kind of like grayish or maybe cream. I like anything white because it makes me stay clean, you know, because I'm not gonna have the tendency to be like, oh, it's a darker color, let me just get this dirty or something, or I don't care. So that's why I love having a house that is super white, because I'm already allergic to dust mite, dust, like every little thing. So it just forced me to just, I mean, I'm already a clean person, but it just forces me to be even more clean than I already am, which is insane. So I'm gonna hire people from TaskRabbit to put the shelves together for me, so hopefully they can fix this thing for me because it's driving me insane right now. So again, as you can see, my bed is super cute. It's a queen size. I need all the space that I can get because I require a lot of space. I was thinking of putting a painting, but I just don't like anything hanging over my head, so that's why I don't have anything on top yet. I was thinking maybe just getting one of those light up signs that says dream or love or something cheesy. A little Penelope. This is my favorite bedside table ever from West Elm. Super cute. It's really early. It's like 8 o'clock. So relax for like an hour and then go to bed because I have an early shoot tomorrow at like 8:30, but I'm happy it's close by. It's gonna be Chinatown. I'm in Little Italy, so I can quickly jump in an Uber. It's like 10-minute ride, so that's perfect. So yeah, I'm super excited for this weekend. I really hope that I get a lot of things done. And yeah, hopefully I see Deb tomorrow too. Catch you guys later. Bye bye. Hopefully next time you see this room, it will be a lot cleaner than what it is now. So fingers crossed.